In this video, I'm going to show you an indicator from Flux Chart, which is called SF Algo Toolkit. This indicator is having a lot of features and it will filter out a lot of noise. So in this video, I want to show you some few examples. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this indicator and talk about all the features it's having. Clearly, you can see right now we have the take profit levels and the stop loss levels. But let's talk a little bit more about SF Algo Toolkit settings. Here you can see on the algorithm settings here on the trading style. If you're a day trader, you can adjust these signals that appears on the chart. If you're a day trader, the signals will be less. But if you are a scalper, then these signals here will be a little bit more. If you're using the lower time frame, you can adjust even the trend length, like the short term, the medium term, and the long term length. So when we move on, we can clearly see that we have the settings for the sensitivity. You can see all the information that you need here to see how this sensitivity will affect how the indicator will make things appear on the chart. So when we move on to the downside a little bit, we can see that we have the AI sensitivity. Let me do this for swing trader because I like to swing trade. You can clearly see that right now we have the settings for the take profit levels. You can use the volatility band to create the TP level or the key level. Even on the stop loss, they appear in real time. If we activate all of this, you will see that all the take profit levels will appear on the chart. You can now see that we have the take profit 1, the take profit 2, and the take profit 3. You can adjust everything here, even the stop loss section here, even the exit after stop loss. You can adjust everything. But for me, I like to disable everything because I am a swing trader. So from here, I'll just remove everything because I like to adjust my stop loss and take profit levels myself. So here, let's talk about the volatility band here. You can see that I have activated only one. You can see that when price is moving to the downside very aggressively or to the upside very aggressively, the band will expand. Here you can see that we have an expansion in the market. But when the market is consolidating, it will contract during low market volatility, like this one here. Even on this one, you can clearly see that it's like it's squishing price action together. So this volatility band is very helpful to avoid when the market is consolidating, like in this area here, so that you won't even get stop losses. You won't even get stopped out in the market a lot of times. So this time frame here on the 5 minutes Euro JPY, we can clearly see that right now we are still consolidating. That is why you see tight bands in the market. And lastly, on the volatility band, these areas can be used as our support and resistance level. We can clearly see that we have a strong support even here. But don't go blindly when using indicators because you have to also confirm with your confirmation candlesticks, something like that. You can add other things into your trading style to make your strategy to be better. Right now, let's uncheck this one and check the retracement wave. This retracement wave is used to identify entry points like during pullback, and it can also be used to find entries. Like here on a bearish trend here, it can be used to identify a retracement. When the market retraces, you can clearly see that we are still bearish. And then we can close the position when price trades above the retracement wave. So right now, let's uncheck this one and look at the Gauss ribbon. I'll just call it the ribbon right at the moment because I don't want to butcher this name. So right now, let's uncheck the retracement wave and check this ribbon, even the trend coloring here. So this ribbon is used to identify trend direction, entry zones, even potential reversal areas. So it follows this signal here when this indicator identify a potential trade in the market. This ribbon also follows the signal. When the signal turns red, that means the market is likely to be bearish. That is why you see this ribbon is above the candlesticks. And also another thing that I want to point out is that even this ribbon, the space in between marks how the market is currently moving. And this also provides the pullbacks when the market is closer to the ribbon here. So to close this up, this ribbon is used to identify the trend direction, even find entries, and also to manage your positions. So right now we can see that we have a flat ribbon right there. Here we have a steep ribbon. So if you want to make your entries, you can wait for the pullbacks here to make your entries, but you also have to use your confirmations and other trading strategies to better make this indicator to be useful. Other features of these indicators are the alert for bullish signals and the bearish signals. Even the take profit level, stop loss, a re-entry. You can change even the theme here, but most of the time I will just remove the trend coloring because I want to see my candlestick very properly and activate the volatility and use my price action trading strategies. So other than that, these are all the features that you can get from this indicator. So to get this indicator, you'll find in the indicator section, in the invite only, you'll find Flux Chart SF Algo. This is the premium version. So if you use the link in the description below, you'll find a discount. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.